What you doing, girl? You take a little rest? You stretch real big? You want to stretch real big? You gonna go back to sleep? No? You gonna get up? Hey, monkey. What you gonna do, girl? What you gonna do, girl? Oh. Now it's pretty, girl. You ready to get up? Let's see if there's some birds. Ooh. What about buggies? Do you have any buggies? You want to go see? Want to go see if they have some buggies? Ow, that hurts. You got some scratchy nails. Want to see some birds? Where's the birds? Want to go see? You're looking out the window. That's right, that's where the birds are. Want to go see the birds? Where's the birds? Stop tearing up my pants. Want to go see the birds? You want me to open that window? That's where the birds are? Huh? We'll open the window and see? We'll open the window and see? Oh, where's some birdies? Where's those birdies? Find those birdies. Get those birdies. Where'd they go, girl? No birdies? Was that mama not nice? I woke you up from your nap. No birdies. Aww. Wanna go back to sleep? I hear the birdies. I hear the birdies.